really reminding me of summer vacations. It's this joyful, nautical, seaside look. It's called the Polka Party short sleeve sweater. It's so cute.
So cute.
Comes in sizes extra, extra small through 3X. Here is Royal Lobster. Loving that. Here is emerald green, and I'm liking this contrast of the colors. Like, so you have the polka dot, so you're getting contrasting print, stripe and polka dot, bright pink against emerald, and then here's it's like also a polka dot in the lobster, orange and stripe, orange with the polka dot, and then stripe with the royal. So really cute, and then still with the embellishment and the crystals as well.
A little bit of accent there. I'm going to let you finish your business.
$24.99 is the clearance price, so you're saving $35. That the original price is $60. The length on this is 26.5 inches to about 28.5 inches. And yeah, I already said that the size is extra small through 3X.
That's it. So a short sleeve sweater, this is fine gauge. So it's not, you know, this is not a heavy sweater that you're going to wear to Iceland in January, okay? You're just
not. Or here in Pennsylvania.
Yes, or here in Pennsylvania in January. This is one that you can wear in the spring and the summer on your cruises, whatever it is you're doing. This is done in, this is a cotton acrylic blend.
I will verify that. Yes, it is. It is 60% cotton, 39% acrylic, and 1% other.
The other is that little bit of sparkle within the sailboat and within the lobster, right? So this is done in intarsia. So what that means is that this is knitted with the sweater. So as the machine is knitting the green, it stops, it changes color, it adds that pink. It goes to pink, it stops, it changes color, it goes to the green, etc., etc., etc.
It has like a lurex or something.
Yes, yes, and that lurex is in that thread that is knitted in this. Then you have those big chunky rhinestones. And look, we've given you that set-in sleeve here. Fully fashioned armhole, excuse me. And then look how we connected the stripes, because I know a lot of us have pet peeves about the stripes not matching up.
Oh, that would be a distraction if they were like
so we're able to do that here front and back. This is a masterfully crafted top. This is a top that if you went, I don't know about you, I talk about travel a lot because I'm very passionate about it.
I love to travel. Who doesn't?
So, but you know, my husband and I like to go to all-inclusive resorts in like the Caribbean, and I like to visit the little shops on the resorts, right? But first of all, they never have plus sizes.
And they're expensive.
And they are crazy town expensive. So you're getting something that you could get in a boutique, that's boutique chic, at a clearance price.
And boutique quality.
Yes.
I want to point out something here when we have a moment. So those crystals here that you can't feel them underneath. So look at that.
I like to say they're kissed on.
They're kissed on. So you're not going to have anything metal poking in.
Nope.
So that's incredible. And they're not going anywhere either.
That's right.
They're very, very sturdy on. And yeah, it's that incredible clearance price, $24.99, the Quacker Factory Polka Party. Here is Royal Lobster and Emerald
Sailboat.
Sailboat, sorry. Thank you.
I didn't mean to steal that out of your hand.
No problem.
I saw they went to the video, so.
Here's what